Yes, guys, what is going on? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. We are back after a 2-week break. It's been a crazy couple of weeks. I've been traveling around, I've been launching new businesses, and I've been creating a ton of content as well. You can see here, look, a beautiful trade that we caught on Wednesday. Very, very nice. So continuing from tomorrow, the signal service will be resuming as normal. Okay, so we are on gold here. Let's clear the chart and jump up to the monthly time frame. If you've seen these before, you know the drill. So remove drawings. Let's jump up to the monthly time frame. There we are. What is happening, guys? I think it's pretty obvious, even if you don't trade, the direction that gold is going. So I think that we can confidently say that we are bullish on the monthly time frame. Monthly bullish impulse leg. Beautiful. So what do we want to do, guys? What is the ritual? Mark out the previous monthly candlestick high and the previous monthly candlestick low. Pretty pointless marking out the previous monthly candlestick low, as I don't think that price is going to be retracing all the way down here going into next week. It might do, it could do, but lower probability. Higher probability is that we're going to see a pullback, and we're going to use this level as support, and then we're going to continue. We're going to look for continuations up. That is what I want to see going into next week. Pullback, continuations up. If we break below this level, we've got an imbalance down here. That price will have a higher probability of filling. So if we break back below here, whoops. If we break back below here, boom. Lower time frame, I'll be looking for a sell-off somewhere in there, and then I'll be looking for continuations up again. Okay, we need to go down to the weekly time frame to start opening price. So, what have we got here? So I can already see some confluence starting to line up here. What have we got? So, a couple of things. Current weekly candle, but tomorrow it'll be the previous weekly candle. Mark off the previous weekly candle, high and low. So, I mean, look how close we are to that previous weekly high. So, super high probability the price is going to nip up beginning of the week, take that liquidity and retrace somewhere down in here. And we're going to look for continuations. Because what have we got here? Nice big imbalance that also lines up with this level of previous support. So you can see we've got two confluences there already. And if we use this the fib, measure out the weekly candlestick range, this level here, look, 618 level to the 786, this level here, beautiful. Lines up perfectly with the fib as well. Beautiful psychological level. So I want to see price pull back somewhere in here. If we take that liquidity out first and we get strong confirmation, we can look to take sells, but confirmation has got to be super, super strong when price is this bullish. All the checkbox is ticked. If not, we won't take it. We'll just wait for price to retrace, and then we will look for continuations up. So that's what we're looking for on the weekly time frame. Oh, and also, if price somehow does not take that liquidity at the beginning of next week and just pulls back, then we've got a higher chance, even higher chance then, of once we get confirmation somewhere in here, price blasting through that high for the continuation. So let's go down to the daily time frame. What can we see? Same again as the weekly time frame. Yeah, big push up here on the Friday. All I want to see, super simple, guys. Just going into next week. Pullback, support, continuations. Literally it. If this level breaks, of course, we're going to be looking for price to sell off. And what have we got down here? A level of interest that price will probably target, and then there, when price reaches there, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it, but then we'll look for reversals and continuations from that level. Okay, 4 hour. Again, same, price is super bullish, so it's very easy to trade. You know, it's trending very nice. Pullback, continuation, pullback, continuation, pullback, continuation. That's all we're waiting for. So again, in here, zone-wise, 4 hour. I mean, we've got an imbalance here. Not really the best zone. It's above our zone that we want to see price in. But we could get a reaction from there, but it's not like the best looking zone in the world. If we go down to the 1 hour, what have we got? 1 hour, opening price up a little bit. It looks a little bit better on the 1 hour. I'd have to see where price opens up next week, you know, how it moves on Monday, you know, where Asia is potentially on Tuesday, if price just pulls back somewhere down here. And if this zone's sitting, you know, if Asia's sitting above this zone here, then it could be a good limit to take, but it's situational. So we need to see what price does. But looking at this, as I say, pullback retracement. Sorry, breakout retracement. That's all we want to trade here. So this, okay, we've got a bit of confluence here, sitting on the Asia low. So that does give it some confidence. Friday's edge low there. So this could be a good level here. It's a level that I can't say yet if I'm going to take a limit on it or not. I need to see how price opens up because it's situational. So we will wait for price to open up, see how it reacts to this level here. At the beginning of the week, we might look to take a cheeky little sell. If we get a little fake out here beginning of the week, get a nice reaction, break a structure, get a retest, might look to take a sell down into this zone. And then, depending on the reaction, you know, and the situation, depends on whether we'll take this trade or not. So that's it, guys. That's all I'm waiting for. Thank you for watching. And there's one thing that I want to remind you of. That is literally, I've left it on for another 24 hours. Let's jump over onto the Discord. So you can see here, look, we've got the MyFXBook, which I've disconnected accidentally. I'm going to reconnect, by the way. It hasn't refreshed for like a week because I was messing around with the investor password. That's me. It's still working. It's still live. Don't worry. Got the FTMO challenge here, which is running nice. This is with the new robot, look. Almost past there, like 7.25%. Very nice. The link's public there, so you can go check that out as well. If we go back onto the Discord here, I've got the 999 offer, which is lifetime everything. So you get access to the Funded Lab 15. So you get 15 licenses there. You get access to the futures. You get access to the companion day trader and the companion swing trader here. All lifetime licenses, guys. Just a one-off payment. This is the last day. After today, it's going to be segmented. So it's going to be 999 for the Funded Lab, 999 for the companion, and 999 for the companion swing, etc., etc. So if you join today, you are saving yourself a lot more money. And if you've got any questions, guys, go to the website, BlackSwanFx.com. You know, I've got videos. I break down everything that you get. And if you need further help, just please post a question in the live chat. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your weekend. And if you're not in the Discord, I hope to see you in there next week. Bosh.